Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of resonant sound with the XARONF hand drum 9 notes D minor handpan. This instrument promises a journey into the deep soul, and it certainly delivers on that front. The handpan drum is designed to offer boundless tuning and sensitive touch points, creating a pure voice that resonates deeply with one's heart. It's an instrument that encourages self-exploration, allowing individuals to empty their emotions, set aside troubles for a short while, and truly find inner peace. The 432 Hz manual tuning contributes to this profound auditory experience, making each note feel incredibly pure and intentional. Specifically, this is a gold handpan steel drum, measuring 22 inches, tuned to D minor, and featuring 9 distinct notes. These include essential D3, surrounded by A3, BB3, C4, D4, F4, G4, and A4. Each note has been meticulously checked with a tuner, ensuring minimum possible fluctuations and excellent resonance vibration across the entire instrument. Playing this handpan offers versatility. It can be played with the hands and fingers, allowing for a very intimate and tactile connection with the sound. Alternatively, for those seeking a different attack or tone, it also comes with 2 handpan mallets. This flexibility ensures that players of all styles can find their preferred method of expression. Crafted from heavy-duty nitrogen steel, this handpan drum is built for longevity. The manufacturing process involves 2 deep-drawn half-shells that undergo manual hammering and fire heat treatment by skilled artisans. This meticulous process not only gives the instrument its beautiful colors, but also imbues it with its characteristic, rich sound. The nitrogen steel material contributes to its durability and the quality of its sustained tones. The XARONF handpan drum comes as a complete package, making it incredibly convenient for any musician. Included are a soft handpan bag, which makes the instrument easier to store and carry while keeping it dust-proof. Additionally, a foldable drum tripod is provided, enhancing playing convenience by allowing for comfortable positioning. The inclusion of drumsticks further rounds out this comprehensive set of accessories. Overall, the XARONF hand drum 9 notes D minor handpan stands out as a percussion instrument that offers more than just sound. It provides an experience. Its thoughtful design, quality materials, precise tuning, and comprehensive accessory kit make it an exceptional choice for anyone looking to explore the meditative and expressive world of handpan music.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.